Plant FAQs, Episcia cupreata. The enchanting Episcia cupreata, a flame violet for your indoor paradise. I've always been drawn to the vibrant world of houseplants. There's something incredibly satisfying about nurturing a little piece of nature within your own home. Recently, I came across the captivating Episcia cupreata, also known as the flame violet. This stunning plant with its velvety, patterned leaves and vibrant blooms instantly stole my heart. Now, I'm on a mission to learn everything I can about this captivating gesneriad and share my newfound knowledge with you. So, buckle up, fellow plant enthusiasts, as we delve into the world of Episcia cupreata. What is Episcia cupreata? Episcia cupreata is a perennial flowering plant native to the rainforests of Brazil, Colombia, and Venezuela. It belongs to the Gesneriaceae family, known for its diverse and visually striking houseplants like African violets and calumnias. Episcia cupreata boasts captivating features. Its heart-shaped leaves come in a variety of colors, with emerald green being the most common. However, cultivars exist with stunning variegations of silver, maroon, and even splashes of pink. The velvety texture of the leaves adds a luxurious touch, and the serrated edges complete the picture of elegance. But the true showstopper of the Episcia cupreata is its blooms. True to its common name, the flame violet produces vibrant red, orange, or even yellow tubular flowers that emerge from the leaf axils. These trumpet-shaped beauties add a pop of color and a touch of whimsy to the plant's overall appearance. How to care for Episcia cupreata? The good news is that Episcia cupreata is a relatively low-maintenance houseplant. Here are some key things to keep in mind to ensure your flame violet thrives. Light. Episcia cupreata prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, as this can scorch the leaves. A spot near an east-facing window is ideal. Water. Consistent moisture is crucial for this plant. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid soggy soil, as this can lead to root rot. Humidity. Episcia cupreata hails from a humid rainforest environment. Mimic this by placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water or by using a humidifier. Soil. A well-draining, light potting mix is essential. Opt for a mix specifically formulated for African violets or gesneriads. Temperature. Aim for a consistent temperature range between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize your Episcia cupreata with a diluted liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. Opt for a balanced fertilizer formulated for flowering houseplants. How to propagate Episcia cupreata? Sharing the beauty of your flame violet is easy. Episcia cupreata propagates readily through stem cuttings. Here's how. Select a healthy, non-flowering stem with at least 2 nodes, the bumps where leaves emerge. Using sharp, sterilized pruning shears, cut the stem just below a node. Remove the lower leaves from the cutting, leaving only the top 2 sets. Dip the cut end of the stem in rooting hormone, optional, but can encourage faster root growth. Plant the cutting in a small pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. Water thoroughly and cover the pot with a clear plastic bag to create a mini greenhouse environment. Place the pot in a warm location with bright, indirect light. Maintain consistent moisture and mist the leaves occasionally. After a few weeks, you should see signs of new growth. Once the roots are well established, remove the plastic bag and care for your new Episcia cupreata plant as usual. Additional tips for growing Episcia cupreata. Regular grooming. To encourage bushier growth and promote flowering, pinch back the growing tips of your Episcia cupreata occasionally. Repotting. Repot your Episcia cupreata every 1 to 2 years or when the roots become pot-bound. Pests and diseases. Episcia cupreata is generally pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for common houseplant problems like mealybugs and fungal diseases. Treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil spray. With a little care and attention, your Episcia cupreata will reward you with stunning foliage and vibrant blooms for years to come. So, why not add a touch of the rainforest to your indoor paradise? This captivating plant is not only visually arresting, but also surprisingly easy to care for. With its adaptability to moderate light conditions and its tolerance for average humidity levels in most homes, The Episcia Cupreata makes a fantastic choice for both seasoned plant parents and enthusiastic beginners. So, take a leap, propagate some new Epicias, and share the vibrant beauty of the flame violet with your friends and family.